My name is MANOJ Verma. I have done my graduation from Trinity College of Engineering in the year 2021, and then after that I joined QSpiders to learn software testing, where I have gained technical skills in software testing like manual testing, automation testing. And I would really like to give special thanks to Anvesh sir, who has helped me a lot from the start of my course till the end of my course. And a special thank to Prashik sir, Akanksha ma'am, and also Kalyani ma'am. They have helped me a lot in my in improving my from basic knowledge to core knowledge. They have helped me in each presentation and mock where I could improve my technical knowledge a lot. And I would like to conclude by saying that a very big thank you to QSpiders Hadapsar.